Is it worth it to buy a new EV in 2023? Welcome to the last video of 2022. It's my pleasure to answer the last question of this year, and I've come up with this question after I've had my fair share of problems with my new car. Is it worth it to buy a new EV in 2023? If you guys haven't checked my last videos, I had some problems with my heater on my Porsche, and I won't go any further than this. You might want to watch the last two videos. And it started me thinking, given the fact that the Porsche Taycan is almost 3 years old, many of finance deals and lease deals come to an end, and you will find in 2023 a lot of Taycan 4Ss and turbos on the market with very nice specs and also a very nice price. If you've seen the market today, the Porsche Taycan hasn't really seen a big difference in price compared to new ones. You will be able to find basically every single configuration possible. I would say for a 4S to be in the 70 to 80,000 euros. It will have around 50,000 kilometers, 70,000 kilometers, and it's no big deal for such a car, but you have to take into consideration that you will no longer have warranty on other parts than battery and engine. So if you would be required to change the heater, it has to be paid with your own money. How much for a heater? You can find it online for 600, 700 euros, no big deal. You've seen this platform growing very fast. It had many recalls in these 3 years, and when you get a car from 2020 or 2021, you will have basically a flawless example of a Porsche Taycan. I won't see any single issue coming up, because every single issue that came to the other parts rather than the engine and the battery pack have been solved in a way or another, even by a software update or a parts exchange. So is it worth it to buy a new EV in 2023? I would say no, because first up, car lease and finance deals are over. Secondly, the fact that ordering process and delivering process is very long in time. You will have to wait more than a year for your car, and from 2020 to 2023 there were no very big modifications to the actual platform. I've seen some pictures of the new Matrix LED light, and they have a slightly changed design, but if you have a Matrix LED light in your 2020 Porsche Taycan, I won't see a big improvement in the 2024 model year. Another thing is the fact that less and less available optionals will be available for you to buy. In today's market, you won't be able to get Matrix LED lights that easy, and also electric steering column is still a problem in 2022, but I think it will be solved in 2023. In my last 25,000 kilometers, you've seen the videos. I'm very pleased with the car. I'm not pleased with the dealership experience. So buying this 2020 car will not be a big issue, because a car that is 3 to 4 years old will not have warranty on smaller part, and you will be forced to pay the repair for the next issues to come. It has been a pleasure doing videos for you. I hope 2023 will be equally as enjoyable for me and for you, and I will see you guys next year. Ciao!